Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change background in Weebly website. As you can see right here, I'm on the Weebly dashboard. Once you have found the section that you would like to change the background color or image for, you will simply select that section. So you can simply do that by tapping on it and dragging down. Then you will see the option Edit Background. You are going to tap on that. Then you can choose whether you would like to change the background image or you would like to change the color. For this example, I'll simply change the image. So I could tap on image right there, then tap on add image. Then it will automatically open my gallery on my laptop right here, or I could select one of their preloaded images. So for this example, I'll simply select this one right here. Then tap on select. And you can see that the background image has changed. And that's it. Now you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. So that's how to change the background color or image on Weebly. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.